Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, this is going to end up being, as you saw in the title, a Bethy Bible devotion. I am going to go ahead and show y'all my final planner completion, because I think this one is so pretty. And then I just want to talk to y'all about something. I'm not trying to be any like specific only to one thing in this video. By the way, I'm using a nude lipstick from Stila, and I gotta tell y'all, while I think it makes my lips look more plump, they are so dried out. And also, it didn't stay on good. Look, it's all over the side of my tea glass. Only Chanel. Maybe I'll get a Chanel lighter color. So today, I had one of those naked juice drinks. I think it was called Berry Blast. It was so delicious, y'all, but right afterwards, I started wheezing. Does anybody know why that would be? Because that would imply that I was having almost a asthmatic response to berries. And I don't think I've ever had that before. Matter of fact, I love berries. Berries are so good for you. Especially, I think it had blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, apples. It had 2.5 apples, a quarter of a banana. God, that's a lot of sugar. 2 strawberries, 4 blackberries, and 2 raspberries. There was no blueberries. And it had 32 grams of sugar. That's like 32 little packs of sugar, I think. That's a lot of sugar anyway. It also gets on our teeth. I don't know about these matte things, y'all. I don't know if they work for me. Anyway. So here's my tea. My husband just made me regular, I think it was Tetley, or was it Lipton? Just regular, is it called black tea? Yeah, tea. It's not green, it's black. And just a tiddly bit of milk and one Splenda. It's just kind of cold in our house right now. As you can see, I'm kind of in like a long sleeve Henley type thing. And I'm wearing my little gold cross, and this is at the long length. Remember, this is that adjustable. I really do like this. You can get this on what is it? Ross Simmons. You just hold on to the little ball and pull, see this little length, and it gets shorter, or you can just slide it all the way to the edge. So that's kind of cool, because today I want it to be, you know, longer, and wear my little, this is so fun. Y'all got to see this. My mother gave me this. Let me see if I can, hold on. It's actually hard to pull apart, but it's so great. Hold on. Let me see if I can, there. This is like little gold beads and a little magnet. Look how strong that is. It's so easy to put on, though. I'm like, I need more things made like this, because you just literally lift your hair and bing, it grabs itself and it's on. So I love that. And this is that little boutique necklace that I got. It's not at Tiffany's. I know it looks like they're diamonds by a yard, but this is not diamonds, y'all. This is just crystals. But it's very, very pretty. I like it. So that's kind of the lowdown of my look today. Also look a little shiny on the nose. But anyway, so that, I want to share that with you. And then I wanted to share this with you. And that is my final day planner pages for this week. And this is using Magnolia Boulevard. And you can go to Etsy.com, ETSY.com, and then look up Magnolia Boulevard. And these are the weekly kits. This is for an Erin Condren vertical. And I just love it. I love all the little fun, like look, it snowed yesterday, and look at the Wednesday. It's this snow, house with snow, and I took a picture of a cardinal.